In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change default install location in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type here first settings. Then what you need to do is we have to click on this. Now, once you get into this, go to the system. And from here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the storage and we need to go for yes. Now, what you need to do is we have to just go to advanced storage settings here. Now from here, we need to click on where new content is saved. So you have to click on this. Now, as you can see, the new apps will save to local disk C, which means all kind of new apps from it will be saved either on the local disk C by default. And if you wanted to change it, you can change it. Now, also keep in mind, this will be only applicable for the apps that you downloaded from the Microsoft Store. But if I try to download something apart from externally, then how we can change it? So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. We need to type here for registry editor and you have to click on this. Now we need to go for yes. Now what you need to do is, we have to go to HKey local machine, and from here what you need to do is we have to go to this software. Now from here we need to go to the Microsoft, and from here you have to expand the Microsoft, and we need to go to the Windows here. So keep scrolling down and navigate to go to the Windows, and from here in the Windows you'll be able to find current version. Now over here you can see there is something called program files dir, where you have to double click on this, and from here into the value data, and you can see there is a program C for the program files, and you have to see this is C, it is where already default. Now if you wanted to change it, you can keep D or whatever it is. So you can just change it and from here and just go for it. Okay, similarly you have to go to do the same for here as well. Now this is how we can change it, and these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.